uDandala ube ngumuntu obenenkulumo masifuna izimali zethu abenenkulumo ethi yabona angeke ngikhulume nani mina ngifunde kakhulu kade ngawusebenza lo msebenzi and kade ngawusebenza nje lo msebenzi mina ibhlukho lamani libonini ukuthi ihlala efridge isicathulo uyayibona le van intsha ngezimali zenu uyayibona le van angimiswa ngisho nayiphoyisa inoma ngaye emaphoyiseni ngeke ngiboshwe engikhulume nani izini ubekhombisa lo baba ukuthi uyisigebengu and wakuveza kwakhona ukukhuluma yathi hayibo uyazi ukuthini ngizibhukubhuku khona imali enkulu ezofika kunini mina ngizodlela nje lo mali kusho ukuthi ke iyona le mali yokubhala abantu abalimala abantu abanjani ube lo baba lo bekhombisa ukuthi isigebengu lesi isigebengu uDandala lo Dandala nje isigebengu amukho umuntu onganje onebhlukwe eliwasho fridge ehlala ifridge then isicathulo sakhe so 25,000 uyayibona nje le van le ibhekene le van sayibheka ke van intsha le van ngemali zenu ngicabanga ukuthi isiphupho mina ngiyiqhosa mina ngiyayazi imali isho ukuthini nje lonto hayi isigebengu kanje ayiwashi mayenza
sisasekhona enkantolo eScottburg mhlambe abalandeli bazokhumbula mayelana necase kaMnumzane uDandala yabahlali baseMandawe ngaphansi kwenkosi yakacele nabase Kelso ababoshelwe i-protest eyayisemthethweni khona baboshwa one day khona baboshwa 2 days kodwa ke inkinga esibhekene nayo la ukuthi kukhona abakhokhelwa 25,000 khona abakhokhelwa 30,000 abawu9 out of abantu abawu73 abakhokhelwa ummeli uDandala bazokhumbula abafethu la uDandala ke wadecide ukungibopha nabafowethu laba wathi trespass ema-ofisini akhe after iminyaka isidlulile bengakwazi ukuthi bathole access to i-case yabo nokuthi bebengaze befike e-office bekuyadibana khona la enkantolo into sayithola ke masifika la enkantolo ukuthi ema-caseini abanye basawahamba ama-case abo njengamanje but already basebesayinile imali zabo ukuthi bayathola labo 25,000 no utholile 25,000 ulihle nje owase-Kelso kubhalwe ukuthi uklenyelwa u-road accident fund hayi i-picketing or i-protest le ababoshela bona abanye baboshwa 1 day abanye bawu 2 days inkinga ke njengamanje njoba e-report yalo society inye khona ukuthi akwazi nokhandwa over ama-file to abanye abameli because kunabaklenyelwa u-road accident fund abanye kuthiwa bayagula aba-HIV positive abanye balimala nalo limele nje uklenyelwa okunye yena ulimele enye ifile eseceleni nje eklenywe komunye ummeli ulimale kwenye ingozi engahlanganisela utho nefile so ama-file abinto esiyinkinga awahendeki over to abanye abameli kufanele babasize because ama-claim amanga kuma-file versus iclaim kuyona babeyiboshelwe behlala basayiniseka babuya bathengele noma bribe pack abenzele lokho nalokho okunye nakhona so njengamanje ezikuhlanganisa ukuthi kuyiwe kalo society kunabameli aba-strike off roll abanama cases amanye la be-Robacon State abanye iphumile nje ilist yalabo bameli iphume last week but uDandala akekho kubona of which ke ngesikhathi befika last time begcina enkantolo imantshi kwakufika ummeli wayethunyelwa uDandala ukuthi akazocela ukuthi i-urgent matter for any date because ube ne-urgent matter because ube ne-urgent matter babe sebeyiphakamela ke besho ukuthi cha inkosi enkantolo lo mmeli sinaye namhlanje asimazi kwayena sekaningi sifike enkantolo sifikile sicela ukuthi i-state sikwazi ukuthi sisikhulumele ngenye indlela because kwakuza kwethe enkantolo asizazi sokwenzani ngenxa yokuthi kwamanje iclaim evelayo yokuthi kuthiwa abaka road accident ama-cases abaka-road accident fund. So kwase kuthiwa-ke ake amiswe wonke ama-cases kaDandala athathwe nje abeke eceleni because akasa-athendi lutho ey'nkantolo zonke actually. Kuvele kuthiwa uyagula noma unemetha e-agent makufuneka i-evidence yalokho kungatholakali. Thina-ke wagcina sivulela i-case nje e-police station namanje engakwazanga ukuthi zihlale because ngiyakhumbula nje ngikhuluma no-station commander we-police station avule kuyona kuzofanele sihlangane khona umseshi efuna ama-statements. Kwathiwa hayi sesikhathele kwaDandela kwathina ezamaphoyisa uyasibhulisha i-arrogance yakhe washo ukuthi uthe yena uyithole sehujwa ufikile mbalula must drop the videos akhona ku-TikTok. At some point uye waya kubona wathi ucela abaniko 100,000
he came to kwabanye base-Kelso wayofarisha i-deal ukuthi if they can be on his side
abhali affidavit against mina against mina uzobanika 100,000 but i-problem uhlulwa ukubanika imali yabo esemthethweni ngabe kufanele ubanike yona. You can't tell me ukwazile ukuthi uzonika abantu u-700,000 wena othi ababhali affidavit against me kodwa uhluleka ukubanika imali zabo. At least ke labo 25,000 ade ebanika bona out of imali zabo ezayikade eclaimiwe abanye babesayineke imali eziningi ke ngaphezulu kwalokho engeke ngiyibale ngegama. So njengamanje i-way forward it's akiwe kalo society but ke they stand to lose or but ke ngeke ngisho njalo to lose more ngesikhathi because it means uma beka lo society yes lo society will deal with ummeli uDandala but bona kuzofanele baye kwabameli kabusha beqale phansi ama-claims wabo because lama-claims uDandala avelayo kuma-record asiwanikwa inkantolo akhomba ukuthi wonke ayi-fake akusiwo lokhu ababoshelwa khona kuklenywa okuningi ukugula ama-accidents imali eklenywa ka-RAF kuye kwavela ukuthi kwayena uDandala useyinkingeni eyinkulu la erobhe khona istate because ubese ummeli ospecializer kubantu ababoshwe unlawfully aclaim state against the state or aclaim ko-road accident fund udila kakhulu nohulumeni amcharge imali enkulu aphinda yidla imali yama-clients. So vele zikhona inkinga enjengalezo wasithreatenisha ke thina wasitshela ukuthi uzosibopha sehle senyuka nje sibhizi ngempela ukuthi kwaleyo case ke isigcina inesidididi sayo singaqondakala ukuthi kwenzakalani but ke will keep people posted. Mhlawumbe abantu bazoyikhumbula le case cause last year siqala ukuqala sisebenza sikhipha indaba kaDandala was it November October November somewhere there. So sonke ke lesi sikhathi siyaqhubeka bayabizwa enkantolo ngokuhlukana kuthiwa bazovela wabenze njani but ke bengadedelo yedwa mhlambe asho uvo lwakhe uma kwenzeka akakhulume nomunye manje namhlanje akhulume nomunye namhlanje
selokhwane nje saqala sihamba lendlela noDandala uDandala akazazi asinike lutho kukhona ke abanika imali engango 30,000 kulabo basemandawe abawu9 kwase kuthi ke abanye ekubeni abantu abanye babekade betestifyile ngaphansi kwenkantolo futhi nabo laba batestifyile akabanikanga nalabo abanye ababengangenanga ngoba SAN laba bangenile bamela laba abangangenanga akazange azabanike lutho which is wrong ke leyo nto kuselokhwane nje sihla siyenyuka thina.
Okay mhlambe nje SK advise esigcine sinayo ukuthi akiwe kuwona lo society so we'll keep people posted kusimo umuntu abhekene naso but ke lokho kusho into simple ukuthi umthetho esithi sisebenze lapha eGauteng South Africa awunalo iqiniso. Umthetho esithi sisebenze lapha eGauteng South Africa kumanje kunama-judge astrikewa akhishwayo ukuthiwa aye-appointwe unlawful. Uyacabanga ukuthi eminyakeni eminingi kangaka kuno-judge uhlophe namhlanje babhonculwa ama-disk kuthiwa kwakungekho emthethweni. Namhlanje sino-judge uZondo nabo bane-language yabo abayikhulumayo. Namhlanje sinabameli inqwaba abastrikewa off-road nakho namhlanje kunama-judgments aphikiswayo ukuthi ijaji belikade lijaja before linenkinga liphinde liyophikiswa amanye ama-jaji. Shuthi ayikho lento yalo mthetho esithi sinawo eSouth Africa. Mhlawumbe ake sibuyele back to umthetho wamakhosi obekuyiwona okwazi ukusisa la bengishushisisa khona. Well nami ke namhlanje bekade ngivelele ezami namhlanje. Bekade ngivelele ezami because abashushisi baye baba nokwenzelela.
Ufuna ukuyikhuluma indaba ngoba indaba kaDandala nje ibuyiselana ngenyembezi ngoba izinto ayifika ezisho la zinzima kakhulu. Yabona nje ukuqala nje uma ukhuluma naye wayengakuthathi njengomuntu. Ukuthatha njengomuntu uyisilimo ongacabangi. Kwaje la sasathethisana la enkantolo ngibuza ukuthi mina kanti njengoba sifikile la sizokwenzani. Kungani imali engaphumi isiloku siza la wakhuluma nje ngenye indlela ngize ngichaze ngoba nje okunye kwakhe ngisakukhumbula. Kodwa nje uDandala nje isigebengu uqobo lwaso uDandala.
Engingakusho noma ke abaningi bayakwazi ukuningi esengikushilo. uDandala besimbona njengobaba ozosithatha asiphumelelise enkingeni esasibhekene nayo. Yebo usilidile simthemba kwaze kwafika emaphethelweni la beliphela khona icala. Lithe uma seliphela icala wabe sewasijikela wathi bengasimele sonke bemele abambalwa. Sema sesimquestion ukuthi abamele wasimele sonke kanjani ngoba sonke ama signatures ahlale esala la kuwena izinamba zethu ihlale esala la kuwena. Wabese wathi uzoyifaka imali abafakele bonke abantu laba bayade bengangenile bazo bebe representwa yilabo ekade bangenisa ngaphakathi because we are all in the same case. Kanti unfortunately isikhathi nesiqhubeka bese siyathola ukuthi akasiklemelile imali eyodwa sonke usiklemelele imali ehlukahlukene ingakho abanye bethu bengaveli ngisho nokuvela ukuthi ubaclaimelile. Sabe sayimkobheka ke ama files ethu sonke ilesifike sathola khona iqiniso ukuthi abanye bethu bakurafu abanye bethu imali zabo sezibaphumele abanye bethu imali zabo ayikaphumeli ama case abo asapending asese Scotland Court. Esabe saya khona ke Scotland Court sathi mesifike Scotland Court uDandala ngoba bese ama cases akhe njalo ethumela abantu abazomrepresent. Semesifika eScotland Court safika kukhona omunye ozomrepresent. Kwasho ukuthi kunama cases ethu kodwa abhalwe ngenye indlela awarepresenta ngenye indlela yenkantolo. Akwabanye babantu bethu akufanele ba-appearishe enkantolo ngaleyo date. Unfortunately ke lo emthumelile sasingakaze simbone ngisho ukumbona sasingakaze simbone ngisho ezithombeni ke zakhe. Sabe sisemtshela sathi sina baba sikwazi futhi asikwazi ukuthi uzosimela la ukuthini. Waba nenkani ngena ngaphakathi ke enkantolo. Wathi mengena ngaphakathi enkantolo kwathi bemenyezwa labantu wayisukumela bonaka abantu ababemenyeziwe. Kwaba ukuthi bayasho ukuthi ummeli lo abamazi. Kwacaca ukuthi uDandala usenama cases amaningi angawa attend eScotland kodwa uthumela abanye abameli abafike bacela ukuthi ahlehliswe. Sabe bese ke kuphakanyiswa ukuthi wonke ama case kaDandala eScotland uzocela ukuthi amiswe until kuze kuqedwe icase kaDandala. Kwavunyelwana ke ecourt it was court 3. Kwavunyelwana ecourt 3 kwabese kwa amiswa wonke ecourt 5 court 5 avunyelwana abese eyamiswa lo case wabese uyacelwa ke nalo owaye client ngalelo langa owayevela client ngalelo langa ukuthi uzocela ukuthi ame until uyozaza bizwe istate sesisho ukuthi icase yakhe iyaqhubeka noma ayiqhubekini since uDandala kuumuntu ongatholakala ohlale esipromisa. Mina ke noNdlovu nomntwana usibophele ukuthi sashaspasa ngoba sasicelwe yibona labantu abambophayo njengamanje abamisa kalo society ukuthi siyoba represent eofficeini lakhe ngoba yena wengafuni unika abantu ama directions ase officeini lakhe. Yes, wasibopha wathi thina si transparency samehlisa isithunzi and unfortunately yena is a high rank person okuwukuthi abantu abakwi nationally ku government sebeyamhlukumeza sebeyaxabana naye by these things. So I must talk to umntwana to take all these pics noma these videos aku TikTok off ngoba yena igama lakhe liyafa. Of which I failed to do so on that time because he was pushing me to make sure that is done in that day. I failed to do so. He then sent Mr. Mbutho oyiphoyisa lase eThekwini ukuthi akazongibopha eMandawo sinobaba uNdlovu. Unfortunately ke uphoyisa lelo alizange lisifice kodwa inamba zethu zasithola. Sabese sayifonelana nephoyisa, we make some arrangement we did make some statements. Siyabonga, ngicabanga ukuthi ngagcina lapho kwamanje.
nani kade niboshelwani ekuqaleni?
Ukusho kwethu thina sasiboshelwa ukuthi we protested izinto ezazi-wrong ezazenzeka ngaphakathi eMdoni, and fortunately enough uMdoni after that protest uMdoni fixed all those things, proving really those things were the things that were pushing down our municipality. So we even won the case by the court in Scotland, showing that what we were protesting for was right, and even that protest was registered. I would say it was lawfully, because we did want to ask for it, and we were granted a permission for that protest. That's why we even won in court. I think that's all.
Inkinga ke manje ukcompensate state manje.
Presently, states never compensated us all. I won't say it's a state problem. It's only a state problem, but I believe it's a worko. It's a worko
Izulu fowethu.
where yellow.
Khuluma isiZulu uyaphi esingizini?
Uyangasho igama esiZulu ukuhlanganyela kokusebenza kwezinkantolo nabomthetho eSouth Africa. Sikubona kungahambi ngendlela okuyiyona yona, because ama cases ebesilokho swahambela, it wasn't our cases, but ekugcineni they paid, but mase paid, even that money doesn't go straight to us. So that means even our own law, they don't do follow up on whatever cases that they come to them. I would say the judiciary was supposed to make sure that if there is a claim of the protest, and they knew how many people that were arrested on that day, they were not going to pay only for 20% of those people whom they were all arrested for the similar thing, whom they were all arrested on, I would say, for the same time. So
Okay.
I believe they were all supposed to get the similar treatment.